Hello, everybody. My name is Neil, and today I'm going to be discussing with you the annual BMI screening policy at Everytown Regional School District that will result in stigmatization and victimization of overweight and obese children. Children are aware that being overweight is socially unacceptable, and appearance-related teasing is the most common among children, and as a consequence leads to higher risks of depression and low self-esteem. Victimization due to weight has been shown to trigger behavioral, psychological, and physiological changes that are linked to further weight gain and poorer health outcomes. Research has shown that a positive sense of self-image leads to increased successes and accomplishments in professional and personal endeavors. There are multiple policy interventions that can be used alongside the BMI screening, such as an education program that focuses on the negative effects of victim blaming, or an active health living policy that seeks to increase physical activity. However, there will be increased costs associated with training, educating, or providing equipment or space that might be prohibitive for successful policy implementation. Education and active healthy living might also unfairly impact low socioeconomic or minority individuals or families within the community. Today, I am advocating for implementation of privacy measures taken during the screening process while also focusing on body positive messages. The initial screening and weighing should be performed in a private place with no other students around, with trained personnel that can be objective and caring to students' concerns regarding the process. Results from the screening should be displayed and scored facing away from the children so that they are blind to the data to reduce anxiety and stress. The BMI screening results should be confidential and not be discussed unless necessary to protect the health record and student. Implementation of these measures comes at minimal cost increases, fundamentally feasible and practical, and does not negatively affect minorities or low socioeconomic individuals or families. Most importantly, the privacy and body positive messages during the BMI screening policy will positively impact the target population to reduce the victimization and stigmatization. So in conclusion, the annual BMI screening policy at Everytown Regional School District will result in negative mental health outcomes for the overweight and obese children, as well as straining the low income and minority populations and communities. Body image issues can be addressed directly by privacy implementations at the screening level of well-trained and educated health professionals to manage the BMI screening in a caring way that promotes well-being and body positive messages. Thank you for your time.